Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Empresa Elementary School, home of the Knights in Oceanside, California, part of the Vista Unified School District. My third visit for this school year and my last one for 2023-2024. But kind of recapped it all with an overall theme on kindness, underlying theme, but the main focus on respect and the fact that we're all miracles. And we'll get into that in a little bit later. I talk about in all my assemblies, but the respect side, I started off asking them, what does that mean to you, right? And got a variety of answers. Be quiet when someone's talking. Not to bully, be respectful of yourself and others, and just overall really be kind, right? And it's easier said than done, because there's a lot of things in our life where, someone's mean to us, we want to be mean right back. We don't take that time to pause. So we talked about the power of the pause, that we need to stop sometimes, cool down, put ourselves in that person's shoes. Maybe they're having a bad day, maybe something's going on in their hearts. And if we can kind of come from that angle, maybe we reverse, some of that pain that we see a lot and we see happen quite often. And so one of the examples I do as well, I draw a heart on a dry erase board and we color it in with blue and black marks. There were a lot more. We erased a couple here, but the whole idea was that these marks, could be on someone's heart, maybe on our own. And if you're thinking that even 5 people every day, say something mean to you, well, after a month, that's 5 times 30, that's 150 marks on your heart. And that's just after a month, right? So if this keeps going and going and going, that heart pretty soon is turning completely black and blue, the same color as bruises. Except these bruises we can't see, right? We can only feel these, right? Not like a physical bruise that can heal. This is something that is sort of unseen. And so it's so important that we understand the impact of our actions. I talk about that in all my assemblies, kind of the underlying bullying prevention principles that I build in as well. But with the videos that we played, who the bully was, who the upstander was, the effect of our words, negative or positive, even on the growth level of plants, it's affecting them. It can affect human beings as well, of course. So, all that combined is really how I tried to really kind of reinforce that so important message in this world today. Understand that change in the world starts with just simply changing ourselves. Because if you do that first, right, then maybe you start to change and make better those around you, right? Not just in your immediate family, your brothers, your sisters, your parents, the people you interact with at home, but here at school, in your community, in your city. And those ripple effects start to branch out, right? Those acts of kindness. And all of a sudden, you're changing your state, you're changing your country, you're changing the world. And that's really what we kind of finished off on a very positive note. A couple interactive hand motion raps, call and response raps that got everybody energized. So that was fun as well. But it was, again, just such a beautiful day, and always a constant reminder that respect, again, has to start with ourselves, loving ourselves, right? That self-respect, knowing that we're all miracles, like the M in all of our poems. I bring this up in all my presentations, but with the lines on our hands, we have the letter M. I trace one of mine again here. Sometimes a faint line connects it. We have at least one in each hand. And that M, all the students remembered, stands for miracle, right? Upside down W for worthy. I had a student come up to me after, said, Mr. Peace, next time you come, I'm going to have an M on my hand. And, that's what I love to see. Some shared their heart with me afterwards, just talking to me about times that they were, physically hurt from people that said they were their friends or excluded from a group because they weren't the same skin color or didn't wear the same clothes. And it breaks my heart hearing that, but I say, look, your true friends will always accept you for who you are. They'll always see you for this. And that's all you have to really think about. So thanks for touching my heart again. You guys are beautiful. Hope to see you again. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.